Well, we got our stands from Harbor Freight. These are the new designs ones. These things are really nice. There's enough reviews on YouTube. I'm not going to review it, but we don't like with our vehicles to put these on there without being protected with something. And they sell these jack stand pads at Harbor Freight. What's the number on it, Giant? The little number in the upper corner where your thumb's at.
63373.
Okay,
63373.
Okay, yeah, and they're just like what? How much are they, Giant? I see if here they are for these things. Let's see. They don't feel like a rubber. We got some for the other stands, but they're a little more delicate. Okay, I'll let you take this, and then he's gonna put them on. And of course you're in the shade. Stand over here, Giant, because the sun's in a bad spot. They recommend you put one corner in and sling it over. It's gonna be hard. You don't want to slip off. Besides, it's good that they see you fighting with it, so they know. They're made for these stands, they claim. Easy to put on. There you go. Now pull it through once you get it down. Pull it over, pull it through. There you go, pull it through. Take some. You really gotta get going there, man. Look at the intensity in his face. There you go. Oh, you pushed too hard, Johnny. Now remember, these are easy to put on. There you go, you got that end down. Now you gotta just keep working it down. Tap with your big shoe. You should have bring the mallet out, huh? Is it down? Well, I guarantee you when the car has it, it'll be down. Okay, now one more. You're not done. You can get closer to it if you want to. Oh, look at that. Once you learn how to do it, it goes on easy. There you go. And that'll protect your frame, and you'll be good to go. And I would say of all the years I used jack stands, these are the best quality, the safest jack stands that I've ever used. That recall that Harbor Freight had on these the old stands, because the ratchet was breaking on it, the teeth and stuff. I got my refund on that, and I waited till the new model come out, and then we got them for free, because the refund we just used them to buy them again. But you got to have these things on, unless you don't care about scratching up your frame when you lower the car down on it. We do, because we have cars that are 99% rust, and the rest of it was whatever it could be. So we want to treat it as gentle as we can. Okay, there you go. Job's done.